Welcome to Bright Star Kingdom. Today, we are going on an exciting adventure to discover emotions. From feeling happy and sad to being angry and scared, we'll explore what each emotion means and how they make us feel. I'm feeling really angry right now, and I need some time to cool off. I don't like it when people don't listen to me. It makes me really angry. It's frustrating when things don't go the way I want them to. I'm feeling super happy today. What a wonderful day it is. I'm so excited and happy. Let's share this joy together. Everything is going great, and it makes me smile. It's okay to feel down sometimes. Let's find a way to make it better. I'm feeling a little sad right now. Can we talk about it? It's hard when things don't go well. Let's find a way to make it a little brighter. This is amazing. I'm jumping with joy. I'm super excited. Let's get started right away. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what happens next. I'm feeling scared, but I know I'm not alone. Can we talk about it? I'm feeling a bit scared right now. Can you help me feel safe? I'm afraid of this. Can we take a deep breath together? Wow, I didn't expect that. This is such a big surprise. I can't believe it. This is a wonderful surprise. I'm feeling a bit bored. What can we do to make things more fun? I'm not sure what to do right now. Can you suggest something exciting? I'm feeling a little bored. How about we try something different? I'm not quite sure what's happening. Can you help me understand? I don't get it right now. Can you explain it to me in a different way? This is a little confusing. I'm so proud of what we've accomplished together. Wow, look at what we did. I'm really proud of this. This is amazing. I'm proud of how far we've come. I'm so sleepy right now. Maybe we can rest for a bit? I'm exhausted. Let's take a nap or relax for a while. I'm pretty tired. How about we slow down and take it easy? I'm feeling a bit lonely right now. Can we spend some time together? I'm feeling isolated. Can we do something to brighten up the day? I'm feeling a little lonely. It would be nice to have some company. I'm feeling really calm and relaxed right now. It's nice. Everything is quiet and peaceful. I'm feeling at ease. I'm so calm right now. It's a perfect moment to just enjoy. I'm feeling a bit nervous about this. Can we go over it one more time? I'm a little anxious right now. Maybe we can take it slow? I'm nervous about what's coming up. I'm feeling a little embarrassed right now. Can we move on? Oh no, I'm feeling shy and embarrassed. Can we just keep this between us? I didn't mean for that to happen. I'm really curious about this. Can you tell me more? What happens next? I'm eager to find out. I wonder how that works. Can you explain it to me? Thanks for watching Bright Star Kingdom. Subscribe, like and share with friend and family.